We will be talking about the internet, its uses, and how to be safe on the internet.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy our show.
This term in computing, we are learning to do research on the internet.
The internet has become one of the most important things in our lives, and we cannot do without it.
The internet is one of the most important sources through which an individual can quickly get information, remain in touch with their beloved ones, and perform thousands of activities.
Have you ever imagined what life would be like without the internet? Life without the internet would be very hard because we use it for virtually everything in our lives, even for connecting with those around us. So what would happen if the internet suddenly disappeared?
It will be a lot harder to talk to your friends on a daily basis.
The way we take in news and information has been impressively quick thanks to the internet. Without it, we would rely on TV programs, newspapers, and worst of all, word of mouth. Working without the internet will seem like an impossible task.
Likewise, our shopping experiences will become drastically limited.
Most people don't have any idea what the internet can do.
Jason, how would you describe the internet?
The internet is like a wave going through the phone.
And you, Inaya?
The internet is a satellite of space.
Well, the internet is a worldwide connection of computer networks.
All parts of the world are being brought together by the internet, which we refer to today as a global village.
Have you ever wondered about who created or invented the internet?
Let me educate you. The internet was invented by Vincent Cerf and Volcan.
We cannot imagine our lives without the internet.
With using smartphones and computers daily, the use of the internet has become an important part of our lives.
There are many uses of the internet. Now let's talk about some of the uses.
The internet is a great platform for students to learn throughout their lifetime.
You can use the internet for online education programs.
Teachers use the internet to teach students and do research work. With the help of the internet, anybody can shop online. We can play games and watch videos on the internet.
We can communicate with people all around the world with the help of it.
We can work from home with the help of the internet.
People use the internet to search for jobs and activities all around the world with the help of the internet.
The internet can also be used for digital transactions such as internet banking.
During travel and tour, the internet is highly effective as it serves as a guide. People browse the internet before they visit places. Tour bookings can also be done on the internet. People use the internet to download documents.
The internet can be a wonderful place to learn, play games, and talk to your friends.
Unfortunately, there are others online who try to harm you.
We are confident that we know how to be safe online.
Let's learn about the 5 smart tips of internet safety for kids.
Safe. Keep safe by being careful not to give out personal information such as your full name, phone number, home address, email address, school name, or photos to strangers online. Keep passwords private. Don't tell anyone except your parents.
Meeting someone that you haven't been in touch with can be dangerous.
Accepting emails or opinions just from people you don't know or trust can lead into problems. Don't download anything without permission.
Reliable. Make sure you check information before you believe it and share it.
Tell your parents, teachers, or trusted adults if someone or something is
Listen to our song. Hope you enjoyed our beautiful show.